Hello YouTube, we're back with another video. Really wasn't expecting to make this video. It's currently snowing. We already got about an inchish of snow, but we're here with the Jeep. I came to actually move it because as you can see from the ticket on that guy's windshield, we have to move the cars every day. I haven't driven this car in like 3 weeks, honestly. It's been parked out front of my apartment, but now we have the winter parking regulation, so I have to move it. Plus, it's snowing. I got to get it ready to start driving it through the snow. But we got about an inch of snow, as you guys can see. But we're here with a new problem. So I started her up, she started fine, and I was pulling all the windows down to get the snow to fall off of them. And then this window cracked. It made a crack sound from like the regulator or something. And now it won't do anything. It went halfway down, it made the cracking sound and would not come back up. You can hit the motor, so I can't even see what it's doing. It's doing something. I don't know what, but it's doing something. So the window slowly, I slid it back up, and since it's wet, it slowly started coming back down. Well, we need to fix that because I can't leave the car like that. And by fix, I mean I need to do a temporary fix. So this is what I did. This will only work if your window is still on the tracks, at least one, because I'm only doing this to one track because the window's still on the tracks. So I took the door panel off. This one had one screw here, one screw that went over here, and then I pried it off and I broke a couple of the tabs, but it's not the end of the world. I don't care enough. But now we're at this point. There's like this foreskin that's over the, like, it disintegrated itself. Sorry if the truck's messy. It's a junk truck. Anyway, that disintegrated itself. So what I did, again, temporary quick fix until I can have time to work on it or figure out what's actually wrong with it, especially since it's cold outside, is I took black tape. Where'd it go? What did I just... Oh, there it is. I had some black electrical tape, and I just taped it. So I pulled the window all the way up as much as possible, so it's as high as it can go because I pulled it up from here. Because I couldn't get a grip on it to actually pull it up and seal it. So I pulled it up from down here, sealed it, and then I was like getting some cardboard. I ripped some cardboard to try prying the cardboard in here to hold it, but I was like, yeah, fuck it. Pulled that off. Over here, I just added some tape. So now the window, it can't physically drop because the tape's holding it right up to the window. So that's my current fix for now. It's on there, tight and sturdy. It won't come off. I can't even reach the other. If there is another track on this side, I can't even see if there is another one. Maybe there's one. I don't feel one. I feel something here. It's a wire. I don't feel another track, but it's a small window. But I basically taped this up. Now the window can't go down or up. I'm gonna unplug this button so somebody in the back, just in case one day the window decides it wants to do something. It won't try. But I'm gonna unplug the harness for the window. And I wonder if I unplug the harness for the window, will the power lock still work? We're about to find out, guys. We're gonna do this together. Again, this is a very quick, I wouldn't even call this a repair. I'd call this save you some hassle. How the fuck do you, there's a tab under it. There we go. Okay. So now the window's only tab. Okay, hold on. Okay, so I unplugged it. I don't like letting it rest on this. Ah, man. I want to see if I can actually push the unlock button. Whatever. I was gonna see if it unlocks. We'll figure that out at the end of the video. But basically, I unplugged the harness, so just kind of holding it in place. I don't want to bend these door handle metal things, but it's taped up to the best that I can tape it up for now. So now we're gonna pop the window back in place, pop this door panel back in place, and move the Jeep into the garage. Sorry for the weird angle, people. Okay, we're back. Again, I have no idea why. Okay. It can open and close and the window won't slide down. I have no idea why it broke. It's still getting power, because sometimes when these wires over here get frayed on the WJs, it kills the windows. The door's still working, but we're gonna see if it locks still. So you can hear it. So, lock. Unlock. None of the doors are locking. Hold on. Okay. Service tire pressure system. Okay, there we go. Now it unlocks, the door's closed. Okay. So it's locked now. Okay, so it does lock still. So okay, perfect. Let's wipe these wipers. Okay, so it still locks. So we're good. That's basically, this is the only one I haven't taken down yet. Okay, so she works. She's fine. That's a quick fix. That took me maybe 10 minutes with recording, but that'll keep the window up for now until you can figure out what to do next. All you really needed is a screwdriver to take the door off. So if this happens to your other car or your normal car, you need to have a screwdriver on you. But it's fixed. Also, this radio died. I don't know what happened to it, but this died. So it was a $25 radio. At least my backup camera still works. But should probably go get the garage door opener. She sounds good though. God, everything will outlive this Jeep except for this Jeep. But thank you guys for watching. For now, that'll get us through until we can figure out what's wrong with this window. And it stays up. We're back. We do have her in 4-wheel drive, so we're just gonna like kind of drive on the grass over here, make sure it's all engaged and everything. Look at that. Beautiful. Right out the ditch. Perfect. God, I love having 4-wheel drive. Yeah, I took her off our drive just to make sure 4-wheel drive engages. Buying this truck was the best thing I've ever done. Currently, the windows added to the list of broken things, as well as the radio that's now been added, and the windshield. That's me driving through the ditch before. And the windshield, the rear glass wiper broke or doesn't work. It gets stuck halfway. It's not a big deal, but it does get stuck halfway. But she's driving, she's sliding, newer tires on her. These tires only have like 1,000 miles on them. But we're gonna go over here, people, and take a photo, thumbnail, and end this video. Thanks for tuning in, guys.